welcome back in my videos. Have you ever thought that what is next, what you're going to do after 12th? You have completed your 12th or graduation or maybe even post-graduation, but you have nothing to do right now. So what to do? Only thing what you have your creativity and your design ability. Now what to do with that? Have you ever thought about that? Now today I am going to talk about that. What are the things you can do, or if you do not do, then what could happen? Now the first thing, if you are not doing anything, then you are not going to gain anything and you are not going to get anything out of it. So once you do not dream, after 12th what you want to do, once you do not know, once you do not take a mentorship from somebody that what you want to do or what you can do, then at the end of the day you are going to end up with nothing to do. So it is the best time when you can decide that what you should do and using your passion what you should do. It is not nothing like that you go and get a job. Yes, getting a job is easy in certain types of companies, like you can go for a call center, you can go for a telemarketing, telecaller, you can go for a sales job. But after 1 or 2 years down the time, when you will be able to understand that that was not your passion, that was only your compulsion, then it will be difficult that time to come back and start it again. Yes, I am not saying that you cannot start over again. You can anytime you can start, but why not this time? Why not this time? Now after this pandemic, even utilizing your design ability or your creativity, are you going to do anything? Will you be able to do anything? What do you think? Is that very easy to get a job? It is not. So what you can do by this time, this is the best time to learn. Go into the learning mode. You learn, and what should you learn? You learn something which is aligned to your passion. What is your passion? You are creative. You are listening to this video. You are listening to architect Shumali Sinha. I am talking to you with my 25 years of experience and as an academician, an author and entrepreneur. So I am telling you that this is the right time. You don't know what to do after 12th. If you do not know, you take some mentorship from someone who knows that what is better for you, and whatever you do, whatever career you are going to choose, you choose which is aligned to your passion. Number one, that means it should be in the line of creativity and design. Number two, the right time is now. You can choose now. Now after 12th, if you do not decide on that, you do a 3 years long degree in a general topic, or 4 year long degree in a general topic, and then you start thinking that what next. By the time you will be 4 years older than today, so your learning ability decreases. The time right now is good for learning. So I am suggesting you in today's video, if you understand what I am trying to make you understand, that you should pick up the right career at this right moment, and that career should be aligned to your dream, your passion, and that is in the line with design and creativity. So I can suggest you best design field like interior design, fashion design, jewelry design, then graphic design, web design, animation. There are 16 to 17 highly paid design careers are available in this market right now, and you need to choose that. So how to decide upon that? You can attend my seminar, my free webinar. Every fortnight I do a webinar, free webinar for people like you, creative mind like you. Join my webinar, click in the below link and attend my next free webinar, where I am going to reveal all 3 secrets, that what to do and how to do and what should be your next step. So thank you for listening to me. Thank you and stay tuned. Bye bye.